Faded. Faded.
I'm gonna take care of my baby. What the hell is this? Oh, yeah. Check me out. Yeah, that's right. I'm on a Honda Grom, baby. Check this thing out. Look, Mom, I'm on a Honda Grom. Wow. So what's going on, guys? As you can see, I'm not on my bike. Oh shit, that's the stop sign. Oh fuck.
Don't forget those turn signals don't work.
Gotcha.
Hand signal.
Alright. As you can see, my buddy Chris is on my bike, and I'm on his Honda Grom, and this thing is fucking sweet. I mean, it's so teeny. So yeah, hanging out with my buddy Chris. We just got finished putting some levers on this bike, some nice CRGs, and also this bar and mirror here. And now we're about to go get some tacos. But said fuck it, why not let me ride the Honda Grom up there? This will be my first time really riding this thing. I've ridden it around the parking lot before. Ooh, bump. But nothing serious. This bike is fun, man. This thing does have aftermarket exhaust on it. It's got a Two Brothers exhaust. So it's got a little noise to it. Not too much. The noise this thing makes. So real quick, a little bit about this bike. Honda Grom, I think this is a 2014. It's 125 cc's, and you know, this thing is surprisingly peppy for what it is. Just the idea of riding a 125 cc bike, you expect it to be pretty weak, but I mean, this thing is surprisingly fun to ride, man. It's got a good little pep to it, and man, this thing is so light. I mean, you can damn near bench this damn bike. It's so agile, you can just bounce this thing around so easily. I will say it is kind of odd sitting straight up and down. This bike definitely sits more up and down than I'm really used to on my Super Sports. It actually has a much softer suspension than I would have thought as well. I mean, it's got these little teeny bitty wheels on it. They look like they came off of a big wheel, but the thing is actually pretty comfortable, man. Man, that exhaust sounds really good. I like that. Man, my bike looks good. Can't keep up with my own damn bike. I mean, no, this thing's got some pep to it though. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that power. Oh fuck. Train tracks. Look at this thing, man. You can just whip this little bitch around all day. This would be a fucking great bike. Like if you lived in the city and you didn't have to commute far, This should probably be the bike. Yeah. Up here to get some gas at the Pilot Travel Center. Man, this thing is so easy to drive. It's crazy. Listen to that exhaust, man. Sounds good. I love the sound of this bike though, man.
It's loud. It's louder than this.
Yeah, damn near.
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not, but it's close.
You know
It does a good job though. Oh man, it feels so nice out here. It was supposed to rain pretty much all day today, and it didn't really do much, which I'm thankful for, because hey man, I've been dying to ride, and now I get to ride this Grom. Oh yeah, it does have high beams. Sweet. I gotta get used to like taking corners on this thing, because I'm not used to the whole sitting upright kind of deal. And this bike leans over so quickly. Never been down here. There's probably some good wheelie spots back up in here. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks like a good spot. Might have to come back down here. Oh yeah, hitting the twisties on the ground, baby. Let me stop. Let me calm the fuck down. Calm the fuck down. Oh shit, yeah. Calm the fuck down. Yeah, I don't know these roads that well back here. Don't need to be racing down this shit on a bike I don't know. Oh man, it smells like fucking ass back here. Fucking horses or something are around here. Oh shit, they got a bonfire going on back there. I knew I smelled something. Oh man, I wish I knew this road. This thing is maneuverable though. Shit! God damn! Fucking truck coming around the corner in this fucking small ass road. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. It's probably just me and my not knowing how to ride this particular bike, but it feels kind of unstable going around corners, but so fast, you know. Like when I'm on either one of my Gixxers and I'm hitting the corners, you get that feeling where it feels really solid, you know what I mean? I'm not flying around these corners, but it's probably more mental than anything that it doesn't feel like solid for me on this bike going around corners. Man, that's full throttle, baby. I will say, man, this thing's got, I will say I'm kind of surprised. This thing's got pretty good brakes. Oh, that was a rough shift. I guess it has good brakes, it doesn't have much to stop. Sounds great bouncing off the side of that that little ridge right there. Yeah, look at the kids out there playing football. They probably got a better record than the Ravens right now, though. Shit. But yeah, this really not too much to say about this bike that I can think of. I mean, this thing is just super fun to ride. I can't see this being a everyday bike or a bike that you want to commute on, but I mean, this thing is awesome. Probably makes an awesome beginner bike. Awesome bike to learn wheelies on and stunt on. What's on the dash here? So we've got fuel gauge over here to the left. I really like how the RPM gauge comes up and around. That's pretty cool. Got your speed, of course. It's got a clock on it, which is always nice, you know. And mileage there. This bike's only got not even 400 miles on it yet. Oh shit! Going uphill. Oh shit! No, don't leave me! Oh god! Don't leave me! Fuck! Yeah, there's no way I can make that. Don Pepe. We up here for some dollar tacos. Cause we cheap. Oh fuck. Oh great. There's a whole bunch of dudes outside. They can look at me like a dumbass. Yeah. Look at me like I'm stupid. Yeah, what's up, baby? Yeah, you like that? Uh-huh. Fuck it, I can just walk this bitch. Shit's so light. I just walk this bitch back. Alright, well, time to head home. Had a good little dinner up here at Don Pepe, Don PP. Shout out to my buddy Chris for buying dinner tonight. It's time to head home on my 600. Gotta adjust my levers back. Hello.